Morning children, welcome back. In this video I am going to teach you algebraic expression. Maybe you have studied previous classes in standard 6 the basic concept of algebra. In algebra we use two symbols, constant and variables. Constant means having a fixed value and variables does not have a fixed value. Does not have a fixed value. So constant 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -2, these are known as constant, means numbers. And variables means we are taking the number like just x, y, z, m, n, o. This type of literal numbers we are call it literals. So in this video I am going to explain you algebraic expression. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, a collection of constant and variables by one or more of the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this chapter we have to discuss what do you mean by like terms, unlike terms and types of algebraic expression. Like terms means having same variables, means suppose constant will multiply with having same variables, and unlike terms not having the same variables. Now you see I'm just discussing what do you mean by like terms, unlike terms, means types of algebraic expression, coefficient, etc. Please see. Now just see 6 x y z plus addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and 4x plus 9y plus 5. This is what? This is your constant term. Constant term. This is variable. This is algebraic. Algebraic operation. And this is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. What does it mean? This is constant, this value is not going to change. Fixed value, variable, this value we can find out, and this is the operation, means we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and this is your terms. So this term is known as what? Algebraic expression means a collection of constant and variable connected by one or more of the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called algebraic expression. Now coefficient, any factor of a non-constant term of an algebraic expression is called coefficient of the remaining factor of the term. Constant part is called the numerical coefficient and remaining part is called literal coefficient of the term. See one example, -5 minus 5 x square y. -5, this is your -5 means what? Numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. and x square, y is called literal coefficient. Write down please. Now like terms. Like terms means the terms having same variables, means 3xy, 5xy. Here the variable terms are same, so having same variable terms, this is known as like terms. Unlike terms not having same variables such as xy, x square, y. See, types of algebraic expression. Monomial means an algebraic expression having only one term is called monomial, such as what? 5x, only one terms. Okay. Binomial means an algebraic expression having two unlike terms is called binomial, means 5x minus 3y, for example. Trinomials means an algebraic expression having three unlike terms is called trinomials. So I can write what? 3x minus 2xy plus 5x square y square. This is example of a trinomial. So monomial, binomial and trinomial. Please write down. Exercise 8.1, a question is given: 6 more than thrice a number x, means 6 more than thrice a number x. It is already given number is x, therefore so solution will be what? 3x plus 6 means thrice means 3 of a number means x, more than means plus 6. Now question number 1, 2, it is given 5 times x is subtracted from 13. Remember, from 13. So therefore 13 we have to, means from 13 we have to subtract what? 5 times of x means 5x. This is your expression. Write down. Question number 3, solution I'm going to write. Write down the algebraic expression whose terms are given 5a comma minus 3b comma c. You have to write down the expression. Therefore expression will be what? 5a minus 3b plus c. This is our expression. Number 3rd, it is given 3/3, it is given x square y xy minus x y square. Therefore expression will be what? Expression will be what? X square y plus xy minus x y square. This is our expression. Write down. 3rd first and 3rd third means we have to arrange this one as a, this is x only, don't write n, this is x. So x square y, write down. Question number 5, it is given that identify the terms and their factors in the algebraic expression given below. The expression is given below what? 4x plus 5y. So therefore the terms are what? Terms are what? Minus 4x and 5y. Now factors are what? 4 minus 4 x and here 5 and y. This is factors, this is terms. Write down please. Question number 6 first, it is given that show that the terms and their factors by tree diagram. So this is your tree diagrams, means 8x plus 3y square. We have to make a tree. So first of all you have to make the separate terms. The terms are 8x and this is 3y square. Now from here two parts are there, one is constant, that is 8, and variable is x. Here we can write like this only, 3, and how many y's are there? 2y, so we can write 2y. Write down. Question number 9. Coefficient of 7x in the terms are given what? 7x y square z. So first of all, coefficient of 7x you have to find. That is what? See, 7x into what I can write? Y square z cube. Therefore, this is the coefficient of whom? 7x y square z cube is the coefficient of whom? 7x. Therefore, I can write the coefficient of 7x, that is what? Y square z cube. Z cube. The coefficient of 7x in this term. So write down please. Question number 13. Question number 13, it is given that classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. So first of all, see, it is given 4y minus 7z. So how many terms are there? 1, 2 terms are there. Therefore this is what? Binomial. So all these are solution. No? Write down. Number 2, it is given minus 5xy square. So how many terms are there? Only one term. There is only complete term. So I can write what? Monomial. Write down. Now third one, write down x plus y minus xy. So how many terms are there? 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms. So this is trinomial. Write down trinomial. Write down. Question number 16. Write down the degrees of the following terms. First of all, according to the expression, we have to see which one having the highest power. So here the highest power is what? This term containing highest power, that is 8. Therefore degree equal to what? Degree equal to 8. Now one more term, 16.3, it is given minus z. Minus z means what? No power is there, so therefore degree equal to what? 0. Write down please. 8.2, these are the terms are given, add it. So I can write 7x plus minus 3x means what? 7x plus minus 3x. Therefore this is 4x. This is our, by adding you can get. Write down please. For third first, so means simplify. 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. So first of all we have to take like terms one side, means 21b plus 7b minus 20b minus 32. Now 21, 7, 28 minus 20 means what? This is, I can write 8b minus 32. Write down please. Simplify. Now this is solution. 2x square plus 3y square minus 5xy plus 5x square minus y square plus 6xy minus 3x square. First of all we have to take like term one side, means 2x square plus 5x square minus 3x square. Now no more x terms are there. Now 3y square minus y square, so y term is also over. Now 5xy plus 6xy. Now 2x square, 5x square, so this is what? 7x square minus 3x square, and this is what? 3y square minus y square equal to what? Plus 2y square, and this is what? Minus 5xy plus 6xy means xy. So here I can write 7 minus 3 means 4x square plus 2y square plus xy. Number 9, it is given what should be added to x square minus y square plus 2xy to obtain x square plus y square plus 5xy? What should be added? Now, according to the question, I can write, means what the sum is given, what sum is equal to what, x square plus y square plus 5xy, and to subtract means what, minus, na, to subtract what, x square minus y square plus 2xy. See, so I can just change the sign. So this will be minus because this is plus, nothing is there plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, so this will be cancelled. So plus plus plus, so 2y square, and this is what, 5x square, 5xy minus 2xy equal to, I can write 3xy. So we have to add it, 2y square plus 3xy. Let's write down, this is your sum, this is to subtract. Exercise 8.3, here p equal to given minus 2, find the value of 4p plus 7. So here I can write 4 into minus 2 plus 7 means 4 to the 8 means minus 8 plus 7 equal to minus 1. Write down please. Now question number third. Question number third second, it is given a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2. It is given find the value of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Since we know what, a plus b whole square equal to what, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So directly a square plus 2ab plus b square I can write this one. So a plus b whole square means I can write 2 plus minus 2 whole square equal to, now this is what, 2 minus 2 whole square, I can write what, this is 0, so 0 square equal to 0. Write down please. Now one more sum. Now question number 6, it is given that z equal to 10, find zq minus 3z minus 10. So as we know, I can write zq means what, instead of z I can write 10. 10 cube minus 3 into z, the value of z I can put 10 and this is minus 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 means what, 1000 minus 3 into 0, therefore 1000 minus 0 equal to 1000. I hope within this video you can get a lot of things from algebraic explanation. So for more videos, subscribe my channel and press like. Thank you. Have a nice day.